Morning everyone, I got 4 more trailers to do today. New bearings, new seals, new grease, check lights, check wiring, check suspension, make sure everything's good. Let's get to it. All hub motors are off. Suspension on the trailers looks great, so I don't need to do anything on that. Still need to check wiring, but let me get all the bearings and races out of these. All races are out. I'm going to clean the hubs, new races, new grease, new seals, put them back on the trailer. All races are in. I need to add a little more grease inside the hubs and then put the packed bearings in. I did just buy this new bearing packer. I just put the end of my grease gun on there and it packs the bearings. I really like this more than stepping on that other hand packer. The only downside to this is it has threads to it and it takes a while to spin this down onto the bearing. But other than that, works great. All idler hubs are packed. All hubs are packed. Let's get them installed. Trailer 1, driver's side, cotter pin is verified. Trailer 1, passenger side, cotter pin is verified. Trailer number 2, driver's side, retainer is verified. Trailer number 2, passenger side, retainer is verified. Trailer number 3, driver's side, cotter pin is verified. Trailer number 3, passenger side, cotter pin is verified. Trailer number 4, driver's side, retainer is verified. Trailer number 4, passenger side, retainer is verified. And tires and wheels are going back on. All tires and wheels are on. Let's get this on the ground and then torque lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. And trailer 1, lights. Markers are good on passenger side. Markers are good on driver's side. Markers are good on the rear. Left turns on and working. Right turns on and working. Trailer number 2, driver's side marker lights are good. Passenger side are good. Rear markers are good. Left turns on and working. Right turns on and working. Trailer number 3, driver's side marker lights are on. Passenger side marker lights are on. Rear marker lights are on. Left turns on and working. Right turns on and working. This is not on. Okay, we'll have to see what's going on with that one. Trailer number 4, driver's side marker lights are on. Passenger side marker lights are on. Rear marker lights are on. Left turns on and working. Right turns on and working. Just have one marker light that's not working on trailer number 3. All right, we're getting power. All right, cool. Just had bad lights on the other one, so I'll put this new one on. Now all lights work on trailer 3. This hinge had a missing carriage bolt on the bottom. Brought a carriage bolt, but I need to grab a nut for it. Cool, new bolt is installed. And this barn door was sagging pretty bad. I think I can fix it a little bit. Jack it up, and tighten the dog piss out of these fasteners. So as high as it's gonna go. I don't even think that bolt's long enough. And I got a new bolt going into the back of this. That's long, that's gonna bite. That one's good. This one needs a new bolt. This one just needs a lock washer. Much better. Lifted it up about an inch. Let's do the rundown on this. I finished 4 trailers, new bearings, new seals, new grease, new races, checked all the lights and wiring, installed the tires and wheels back on, torqued all the lug nuts. I did change one marker light on the fender on trailer number 3. I installed a new carriage bolt on another trailer that I had to do from the last time, and I lifted the barn door on one trailer and tightened down the fasteners. That way the door closes and seals. This job's done. I'm on to the next.